बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Raza. I am student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Maths Basics. In Maths Basics, we will see Scientific Notation Series Case 1, Conversion of Standard Form into Scientific Notation, Manual Calculation for MDCAT aspirants. My dear MDCAT aspirants, I know in your MDCAT test you will be not allowed to use calculator. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. First of all, you know what is standard form and what is scientific notation. It is in standard form. It is in standard form. And it is in standard form too. And it is in standard form too. Now let's come into our scientific notation. 23 multiplied by 10 power 3. 23 multiplied raised to power 3. 23. Now it is in scientific notation. 20. Now it is in scientific notation too. Now you understand what is standard form and scientific notation, but you do not understand how we will see which is scientific notation and which is standard form. Look, when multiply sign and 10 and the power will become, it means it is scientific notation sentence. Sorry, question. But multiply sign, it's very important to put it, and the 10, it is very important to put it. We will not change the number. We can change the number of the power like 6, 4 like this. Okay. Now let's take an example. And listen to me. With every number have a point. Like 2 have a point too, but in right hand side. For example, like I have this number. It is in standard form. There is no point. How can we will say point have every number? There is right hand side, it is hidden. And there you will say there is no point, but there is point, but in right hand side. Now let's come in scientific notation to put point. Now it is 23. You will say there is no point, but there is a point there. 3 and multiply sign between it is. Done? Now you understood? Now let's take an example. 5 and 9. First of all, let's follow the steps. First step, find the point. Let's find the point. Where is the point? I tell you now, the last number of the right hand side. Now point is here. Now let's see second. Move the point between last two numbers. Now the point will be cross 3 number and come here. When point will be come here. It's mean the multiply sign 10 power. I don't know which power comes. Let's see how many numbers cross the point. 1, 2, 3 means 3 is the power. Now I tell you how to do it, but I did not tell you how to read it. This thing till here it is very easy. 2.359. This multiplication we tell into, and this 10 we say 10, and this we say raise to power 3. Okay, you understood? No subscribe, no like, only share.